The question given is if e to the power x plus e to the power f of x equals to e, then the range of f of x is. तो हमें गिवन है e to the power f of x equals to e minus e to the power x. That means log of e to the power fx equals to log of e to the power e minus e to the power x. That means f of x equals to log of e minus e to the power x. इसको डिफाइन होने के लिए e minus e to the power x must be greater than 0. That means e must be greater than e to the power x. That means e to the power x by e should be less than 1. That will give us e to the power x minus 1 should be less than e to the power 0. That is x minus 1 should be less than 0. So x should be less than 1. तो x की रेंज होगी माइनस इन्फिनिटी से 1. सो दिस इज़ आवर आंसर. अगर हम ऑप्शन चेक करें तो ऑप्शन बी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर.